Hey everyone, so today I have a Samsung Galaxy A12 for us to repair. We need to put a new screen on it, so let's get to it. I've seen a few videos around where they just order a full screen with a chassis. In this case we are just replacing the screen. If you have a phone and you only have the screen, we'll do that. So we start by inserting our pick into the between the chassis and the plastic cover and swirl it around until we manage to unplug it from the chassis. I also used a spudger to help me out with that. With the bottom cover removed, we will now start to remove all the Phillips screws. So we remove all the plastic covers and disconnect all the flex cables from the boards. We remove another Phillips screw from the top board. The most difficult task on this assembly is removing the battery. We need to put a lot of isopropyl alcohol and then lever up the battery until the adhesive goes loose. To remove the screen we need to heat it up. My heat gun is at 200 degrees and then we go all around the screen in order to loosen the adhesive. To remove the screen we use a little blade to insert between the screen and the chassis, and then we use a plastic pick to remove all the glue around the screen. With the old screen removed, we start cleaning for the new screen, so we take off all the remaining shards of glass and old glue with a Q-tip and isopropyl alcohol. We will now place the new screen in order to test it. So good news, we have a picture. We get the new chassis ready to receive the new screen. We put new adhesive on the battery. And the same on the top part of the chassis to receive the new screen. When we place the new screen, make sure to pressure so that the glue contacts the screen and the chassis. So we reassemble everything back on the phone chassis. Before closing the phone, we clean the lens in order for the pictures to be beautiful. With the phone fully assembled, we will turn it on and see if it works. So that's it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See you all. Bye bye.